Welcome all you DIYers out there. Another edition of Just Try DIY tonight. We're working on this fridge. We're going to change the color. Basic white refrigerator's been sitting in my shop and kind of wanted to give it some little pizzazz maybe, and we're going to get it painted black. So I just thought it might go look a little better in the shop than the big white thing sitting in the corner. So we're going to show you a few things how we're going to do this, and let's get started on this one. First thing you're gonna have to do is get everything all kind of cleaned up on it a little bit. A lot of your chemicals and stuff, you want to be careful using too much on it. We want to get it all dusted down, cleaned up the best we can. But then the best thing to do, go ahead and run some acetone over the top of it, wipe it all down really good. And the paint we're using tonight is just a spray paint that has, well, let me show you, some Rust-Oleum. It's just an ultra cover paint and primer. Also bonds to the plastic, which work really great on the handles and on the hinge covers too. It'll look good too. So that should look out great. So what I've already done right now, already went ahead and grabbed an old rag. We've already wiped everything down. Everything's already wiped all down. Should be ready to go. Now we can go ahead and start putting some spray paint on it. So all we're gonna do, start out by just giving it a little cover, just so we can get that tacked onto it. All right, there we go. Got it all finished up. Use about 2 cans of paint on here. I use just a satin Canyon black on this one here. A few bucks on the acetone and a few bucks on this, and looks like you got a brand new fridge in the shop. So. All right, so here it is all finished up. It's Ben and I to come back and reshoot the end of this because I was kind of a little excited to show you guys this. This is what we did with the other fridge. Check it out. I have my own beer safe. All right, so we just got it out and had somebody cut some vinyl up for us, and we just stuck it on there, and hey, it turned out really nice. So, hey, hope it inspires you to do something on your own, and hey, go down, hit subscribe, give me some thumbs up. See you later.